And it's just... I know. Y'all are probably like, where the HE double hockey stick have you been? Before we get started with this video, let me just apologize to each and every single one of you. I was sick. I got sick 2 weeks ago and it lasted for about, for a little over 2 weeks. So I just took that time to just chill, get my health back in check, get my mental health back in check. So to kick things off, I'm gonna go ahead and do a Fashion Nova haul. This haul was supposed to be posted for Valentine's Day. All these clothes I purchased were for Valentine's Day date night outfit ideas, but I got sick. So they've just been sitting in packages waiting for me to actually try them on. So I have no idea how these fit. I have no idea if I'm gonna like them. I'm just gonna give you my honest opinion. This is my second time doing a Fashion Nova haul for my channel. So yeah, let's just hop into it. I don't even want to show y'all, but I have to. I'm gonna put this outfit first, and then we're gonna do everything else. I don't know how to feel about this last piece. This dress that I have on was the reason why I even wanted to make a purchase for Valentine's Day, because I thought it was so cute. It's something that I don't have in my closet. You know the videos on YouTube where it's like the online picture versus what I got? Okay. Hope y'all watch this video to the end because trust me, it got better. So this dress is called the Abstract Love Mini Dress. It is in the shade yellow and I got the size 1X. I can't even. Number one, maybe that's where I went wrong. I should have gotten my size. I should have gotten an XL and called it a day. But I didn't do that because once again with the arms, I just got a little nervous. If you get this dress, just get your size. Just get your size. You will fit it, just get your size. My favorite part is honestly the top part. So it comes with a natural piece that you tie. I think that's really cute. The color is really cute. I love the color of the dress. And also, I didn't button it up all the way because it's a lot of buttons. It's a lot of buttons. The dress buttons from the top to the very bottom. So yes, you have to button all of these. All of these. I don't have time. I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this. Here's the back. 360. Bop, there it is. Yeah. So it comes with another piece of cloth. Actually, really like this. It comes with a belt to cinch in your waist, which you need. This dress, nope. So the first outfit that I'm trying, okay, all right, we getting back into it. The first thing I'm trying on is called the Ruched and Stunning Ripped Top, and I got this in XL. And I got it in the shade Rust, so let's see how we like it. So we're gonna scratch that one. I couldn't get it over my tatas, so we just gonna move to the next one, which is the one I have on now. This one is called the Won't Take the Blame Crop Top. It is in the shade Olive, and I got it in the size XL. I really like this top, and I really wish I would have gotten it in all the colors. It is really cute. The only con I have is, I don't know if you guys can see in the back, you can see my bra right there. So I don't know what bra I would wear with this top to make sure that doesn't happen in the back. I know we ain't really going nowhere because we're still stuck in the house, but this is such a cute top. It's quite stretchy, by the way, so you have a lot of room, and y'all see I have big big tatas, so they stretch. This shirt stretches out really nice. Gives me some flexibility. I love how it comes down to the point, so it really gives you like a slim waist illusion in case you don't have one. I'm wearing leggings, by the way, so yeah. There's no boning in this, it's just fabric. It's really nice. Soft, cute, and I'm obsessed. The next top I have is called the Never Too Faced top. I got it in the shade black. and it is in the size L/XL. So honestly, this is kind of a cheat because I own the white version of this. I actually wanted this color first, but the black one was sold out. So I got the white one first, which is somewhere in my closet. I just buy stuff just to throw it up in that closet. I have been loving these tops. You guys have seen them probably on Pretty Little Thing, Misguided. Any place you can think of that's fast fashion, they probably have these tops, and I'm obsessed. So let me bring you down. So both of these zippers are fully functional, so you can either zip them up or you can zip it down, depending on your preference. This one here is functional too. You can zip it up, you can zip it down, depending on what kind of style you're into. But I really love these tops. I think they're so cute, and the fact that you can customize how you want it to look on you, I think is even better. Y'all see how big my tatas are, right? Okay. So the style I would love to do with this top is to have it like zipped up close to here and have the bottom zipped up some more. But I can't really do that. So yeah. But I think they're really cute. They're really fun to wear out. I think this is definitely perfect for spring as well because it is really lightweight. It is somewhat stretchy around this area. It's a little bit of a struggle. Maybe if I had like a smaller chest, I could just zip it, you know, up more. But you know, we ain't got that. So yeah. I think I told y'all. I don't know if I told y'all. But it's kind of, well, yeah, I would say that. Yeah. It is definitely a crop top. At least on me, it's a crop top. So I would just say be mindful of that. Maybe you want to wear like high-waisted pants, or maybe you just want, you know, the whole midriff to show. Girl, do you. Do you. And it's just, I wish it was just a little more stretchy around this area, but like I said, I guess I'm just heavily blessed up in here. Okay, next, y'all, this next piece, I really like it. I'm so happy I got it. It's called the Heart Holder One Shoulder Top. It's in the color brown, and I chose this size 1X because of the arm, because I was just a little bit, I was a little afraid. I'm a little plus size, y'all, so I gotta just be careful with my size sometimes. I love this top. Excuse how ratchet I look with my one bra strap folded down, because I forgot this was a one shoulder top and I didn't feel like getting my strapless bra, so yeah. Look how cute this top is. But it has the one arm detail, which I absolutely love, and the bare arm detail, which I absolutely love. You know, sometimes you don't know if you're cold or if you're hot, so you gotta just do both, you know? It is stretchy. Very stretchy, and you can tie this however you want to. I just did it for the side, just for the sake of the video and for the sake of time, just to give you an idea. You can tie it like this, tie it behind you. Any way you want to, you can do it. I said I was happy with the 1X, but what I will say is I probably could have just did my normal size, which is an XL, now that I'm like in the shirt. Oh, down with some jeans, like a nice like block heel for the spring. Pretty, that would be so pretty. I have nothing else to say about this top at this point. I'm just like in it because it's just so cute. It's so comfortable. It's really soft, like really breathable. Really, I can stretch in this. Next, this top I have like mixed feelings about for a few reasons. Number one, so clearly you should be wearing a strapless bra with this. I currently am not wearing one, so that's my own fault. Number two is the cup size. So let me bring you down. I know that they have these built-in cup sizes to, you know, be the place where your boobs go. Can I say boobs? Can I say that on YouTube? Where your chest goes, but not every woman is the same size. I am a double D, and I have no idea where that was gonna go in here. Number two is they give you these, what do you call these? What are these called? Padding. As you can see, this one is flipped up. I didn't do anything, I just put the top on and it's already flipped up, and I have no idea how to get that down to cover this area, so it just looks weird. This one is placed how it's supposed to be, but even then it's just like, it's not doing anything for the girls. But the thing is, I really like this top. I love the sheer arms. I think that is so pretty. It's definitely me stepping outside of my comfort zone because I don't typically go for stuff like this, but it's really pretty. I thought it was gonna be really romantic for Valentine's Day. Everything else I love, y'all, I love corset tops. I love them, I think they're so cute. I love this detail, and it has, is this functional? Yeah, okay, so you actually, I don't know if you guys can see that, you actually clasp this whole top together. I just pulled mine over my shoulder. Oh, matter of fact, hold on, I didn't even tell y'all the name. It's called the Classy Bougie Corset Top, and I chose this, I cannot speak today. I chose the size 1X, and I chose the shade Ivory. I could have went with my natural size of an XL. I just, once again, just thought like maybe the arms would be too small. It's not, I have a lot of material to work with. So I could have went with my regular size with this one. I don't understand how would I flip this down to the way it should look? Or can I take these out? Do y'all know if I can just take these out? I don't know. It's not boning here. It's just like the first top I showed you, the olive top, where it's just material. I don't even know what you would call this, but yeah, there's no boning in here whatsoever. But yeah, it's okay, it's okay. I have to figure out how to work with it so that way I feel more comfortable wearing it out and about for whenever I can wear it out and about. Next, this piece, or should I say this set, y'all, I really love this set. I actually got a chance to wear this on actual Valentine's Day for a little bit of time that I was able to be outside. This set is so cute. I do not have the name with me. No, I don't have the name with me, so I will actually put it on the screen somewhere. I'll put the size, and I'll also put the color in which I chose. I love this set. So I have to hold it because if I don't, it's a very, let's do this. It's a very low top. As you can see, the zipper stops right here, like right under the chest. So I'm just gonna hold mine together. I love this. The top is kind of, I don't know how you explain these sleeves, but it's kind of baggy here. It has a hood. Oh, tell me this is not cute. It has a hood. So cute. And then this portion here is like a corset. I am obsessed with this jacket. So it is a two-piece set, so these pants did come with it. The only con I have is I think I chose a 1X because I wanted this to be really baggy. I wanted the jacket to be really baggy. I didn't take into account for the pants. As time went on, as I was walking that day, these kept getting baggier and baggier on me, so it kind of started pulling a lot of material in like this section. This is the only time I wish I could have chosen two different sizes for a set, because I would have chosen a 1X for the top and then an XL for the bottoms. But with all that being said, it is a really cute outfit. It is definitely something you can dress up or dress down, especially because of how the top looks. Y'all, this top is just everything. You can chill in it, you can go on a date in it. It's so cute. I love the color as well. Black underwear. You can see the line of where my underwear starts and stops, so maybe that may be a con to some of y'all, but it's not a big problem to me. I really like this outfit. I really like this outfit. It's so cute. And it's just so comfortable. Like, I would honestly go to sleep in this. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing to say, but I would definitely go to sleep in this. A full body view of this outfit. It's just so nice. As far as bra goes though, I'm not sure about what bra to wear with this, only because you always gonna see like this portion showing. So I chose this bra particularly for this day, just because the color of my bra, because the color of this. But yeah, I don't know what bra to wear. If y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. But y'all, like, this top is just so cute. And I love the hood. I'm just obsessed with the hood. This is probably my favorite piece out of everything I purchased so far. Okay, I'm gonna have to end this video wearing this dress because my battery is telling me that it is no longer available to film anymore. Thank you all so much for watching. Tell me what was your favorite piece of this haul. Tell me how much you really love this dress. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video so that way we can grow even more this year. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.